Touchdown, Tokyo! We're here, guys. Kakaland lang namin. Mga ano na siguro ngayon, 8:20 ng umaga. And yes, lumaki sila, guys. Nag-multiply sila. Sabi ni, kasi, Pimple God, go to the world and multiply.
Okay, toilet paper, you can...
I'm alright for now. Let's just go through immigration. And then maybe go to the toilet while we're waiting for our bags.
Yeah.
Welcome to Japan. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Are you okay?
Is there Philippines? Yep, that's me. Oh, good spotting, babe. Didn't even notice. Sa'yo na lang. Isa na lang, guys. Nag-rent kami ng wifi, guys. Dito daw kukunin. Sa loob to ng airport, ha. Paglabas na namin sa arrival. Nakuha na namin, guys. Ito siya ay. Ito. Wifi. Pocket wifi. And sabi nila, unlimited daw to. We'll see. Instruction. Parang unlimited ata to. Do you wanna use it now?
Yeah, we're gonna go now.
Okay. So... Ayan, on and off. And then meron na siyang kasamang charger. Ayan.
I need a pin.
Nauna namin siya, guys. Ito yung pocket wifi. Ito siya, oh. Nakuha na lang yung power bank para ma-charge ko yung phone ko kasi I only have 28% left. Dito na kami sa baba, guys. Pupunta na kami sa train. Tapos may nakita akong Lawson. Isa to sa mga shops na nakikita ko yung mga video. Dito sila namimili. Mga para siyang grocery. Tapos parang 7-Eleven lang. Feeling ko naman alam ko yung mga sinasabi ko. Pero, yeah, sabi ko, bili tayo ng snack kasi nakita ko yung Calbee ba yun? Nakita ko dito, oh. Kaya lang, ay, ito mga ganito ba? Ito. Snack sa train sana. Wala pala kaming pera. Wala kaming yen. So, naghanap kami ng ATM kasi wala kaming yen. Sarap sana ng snack. May pera na tayo. You can't eat on the train?
Can't eat the train.
Oh, you can? Okay, no, we can't buy then. Even a snack?
No. Is it,
Are you sure?
It's against... Oh, it's frowned upon.
Okay.
You don't watch enough videos.
I didn't watch
You
any
know-
videos.
You're gonna get something to eat it now.
No, I just want to get some chips. That's alright, yeah.
I
May
don't
pera
eat-
na. Meron pala dito. Merong ATM dito sa Lawson. The fee is 216 yen. The transaction fee. To withdraw money. How much is 216 yen? Mga 100 pesos? 108 pesos? I-divide ko siya into 2 para yan.
216?
Yeah, 216 yen.
$2.70.
$2?
70.
Yeah. Louis, it's expensive in the Philippines. Philippines is like 200 something
Yeah.
pesos per transaction. Alright, let's go to the train, babe. Kasi, gustong-gusto ko na siyang anuhin. Kuha kami ticket, guys, Narita Express. Okay, good luck. Yan, English.
Welcome
English.
Please select a ticket time.
Do you want a reserved seat? Hey, Danny, come here. Shinjuku Station?
CGP?
Yep.
The 9:45 is a better ticket. Yep. Or two?
Please.
The total is 6,200. That's it. That's the right one. One night will be enough, babe. In the train. Thank you. I'll hold the coins.
Where's the ticket?
The gentleman's got the ticket.
This is for Shinjuku. The car number 10 seat for
Okay.
Thank you.
Dito na kami sa baba, guys. So, nagpunta kami sa ticketing station kasi nung nagpunta kami dun sa, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na automatic, mayroong dalawang Shinjuku, hindi namin alam kung saan. Punta kami kay Kuya, binigyan niya kami ng ticket, and dito na naghihintay na yung ating, para lang siyang flight. Sarado muna, wala pang boarding. Tapos meron kang seat number. Tapos meron din siya lalagyan ng luggage sa taas. Sana meron silang early check-in sa hotel kasi ligong-ligo na ako. Dito na kami, guys. Mas malaki pa yung legroom kaysa sa plane. Yan. Tapos yung malalaki naming luggage, nilagay namin dun sa harap. Meron silang lalagyan, may gosh, yung ako. Meron silang lalagyan dun ng ano, malalaking luggage. Tapos dito, sa overhead. Yan, maliliit. Diba sabi ni Dan kanina, hindi pwede kumain? Where did you see that video that you can't eat in the train? YouTube? Si Kuya, kumakain. Gutom tuloy ako. May kumakain. Laway na ba parang? Pero dito na kami sa labas, guys. I mean, entree na sa labas na. Kasi kanina nasa loob pa siya. Sana may makita tayong mga cherry blossom na. Kasi ano na parang patapos na yung cherry blossom na season ata. Dito na kami, guys, sa labas ng Shinjuku Station. So, lalabas kami, magta-taxi kami papunta sa aming hotel. Oh my gosh, malamig. Let's go, babe. Me? Okay, thank you. Guys, we are in Japan. Babe, do you like it?
We just got in.
Ganda! Iba yung feeling. Ito yung country na gustong-gusto ko talaga puntahan and now I'm here. Dream come true ito sa akin, my love.
Sure.
Dito na kami sa hotel, guys. Nag-taxi kami si Kuya. Ganun taxi nila. How much was it, my love? Thank you. Arigato.
Arigato. Have a great day. Yeah.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Alright.
You look fine.
Guys, hindi kami naka-check-in. I mean, naka-check-in na kami pero hindi pa pwede pumasok kasi 3 pa. And tapos yung wala silang early check-in available kasi walang room na available. So, 7-Eleven muna tayo. Merong mga masasarap na pagkain dito, guys, na ready to eat na. Yun yung gusto kong i-try. Yung rice ba? Asa na yun, babe? There. Ito. Lahat ng video na napanood ko ng mga vlogs, ito yung mga kinakain nila kasi masarap daw talaga siya. So, meron na siyang rice sa loob. Kaya lang hindi natin alam kung ano yung...
Dried bonito.
What's that?
Sticky cod rice.
Ooh, spicy cod, egg, seaweed, salmon, babe. Tuna, oh. Tuna mayo.
I'll get a couple of things.
Okay. Shrimp and mayo. Ano ba yung masarap? Walang pork. Bonito. Anong bonito? Ano yung bonito? Beef. Walang chicken. Meron din silang mga ganito. So, ito, looks good, Pork, short ribs, and green onion. Tapos may rice na sa ilalim. This looks good, babe. Pork, short ribs. Next time. Ito yung diferensya sa akin. Busog na ako dito sa maliit. Gusto ko itry lahat kaya lang wala coffee. Hindi pa ako nag-coffee ngayon. Hindi nga ako nakakain ng breakfast kanina sa sa plane kasi natulog ako. May milk tea din sila sa ilalim. Black. Wait, what did you get? Ano yan? Craft Boss? Is that made here? Japan. Ito lang ako. Craftsman. Japan Craftsman. Georgia. Okay. Pwede pa talaga initin yung pinili ni Dan na may yung malaki ba? Doho, my love. What did you get?
Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice. Na pinainit niya. Nandito kami sa Lawson, guys. Bibili kami mamaya. Kasi may table tapos si Kuya natulog nga lang dito, So, okay lang siguro. Hindi namin dito ito binili sa 7-Eleven. Tago mo yung 7-Eleven, babe. Uy, yung bag. And then...
Is that mine or yours, beef?
Mine. Mine is beef.
Beef. Good
And
choice.
then, what's yours?
Salmon.
Salmon. And then, ito, guys. Magtataray ako ng maraming chips. And kung ano yung pinakamagustuhan ko, yun yung dadalhin ko. So, this trip, puro Japanese food yung kakainin natin, ha? All Japanese food. We're eating all Japanese food this trip.
We'll try.
Yeah. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Yung rice kanina, yung pa-triangle, okay lang siya. Itatry ko pa siya ulit. Yung beef na nakain ko, okay lang. How was your rice with the seaweed then?
It's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah, it was good.
And your meal?
That was better.
Was that chicken?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good? What do you think about this chicken?
It's alright.
Matigas, crunchy yung chip. Parang hindi siya yung typical na chip na nakasanayan ko na very light lang. Ito parang malaman na medyo, like hindi naman siya like matigas. Nakakain pa rin siya, pero mas matigas siya compared sa ibang chip. Yan niya. Rinig nyo yun? ASMR na ASMR. Tingnan natin anong meron sa Lawson. Kumain na kami, busog na kami. So, snack na lang siguro. Ito, sabi kaya nila na yung mga benta nila ng mga food dito, mga healthy. Yan, mga chicken. Look at this, babe. Chicken breast. Herb flavor. Tapos, iniinit pa nila. Tingnan mo, may spaghetti ka na at saka sausage.
That would've been alright.
Yeah. Let's look for your chocolate. Gusto niya daw Japanese chocolate. Ito, medyo matigas. Hindi ko naubos yung akin, guys. Ayoko na bilhin yan. Medyo matigas para sa akin. Oh, babe. Have you tried this? They said it's good. Not the dots one. Oh, sorry. Oh, no. Wait. Merong sabi na masarap daw na chocolate na... Asan ba yun?
I'm not gonna get it.
Marami silang mga maliliit na drink dito, guys. So, ganyan lang siya kaliit. Kaya lang hindi ko sila maintindihan. Naghahanap ako ng collagen na drink. Kasi, uso dito yung mga collagen na drink, diba? Tapos ito, bilhin ko to. Inom tayo nito. Para vitamin C. Pag ako nagkasakit pa rin after ng trip na to, ewan ko na lang. Wala. Hindi ko sila maintindihan. Collagen ba to? Pinky. Wala, ito lang yung naintindihan ko. Vitamin C. Dito pala kami, guys. Grand Bell Hotel. So, yung Lawson kanina at saka 7-Eleven, malapit lang yun dito. Balik na kami dito. Chill kami. Gustong gusto ko na maligo. Hindi kami aalis dito hanggat hindi kami nila chine-check in. Guess who's checked in? We are checked in, guys. Pagkatapos namin kumain, bumalik kami dito sa hotel just to check lang. Bot.
Go in first. Thank you, babe. Go in.
Ay, gusto ko to. It lights up.
It's a big room.
It's not a big room. It's a small room. Pero that's all we need.
It's a Japan room.
That's nice. I don't mind it. Look at that.
It's like a little IKEA room.
Yeah.
Whoops.
What? The view. What's the view, babe? Building! Wow!
It's really nothing.
No, that's alright.
Oh, that's nice.
So, ito lang yung room, guys. Yan. Bed. And then, TV. Tapos, may mga, dryer. Perfect, kasi wala akong dalang dryer. Yan. And then, mga hangers dyan. Yung luggage natin nasa labas pa. Dito yung toilet at saka shower nila. Okay lang, uy! Oh. May mga complimentary na shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Perfect! Okay. So, we have, body towel. Ano to? Shaving cream. Body towel, tagdadalawa. Merong toothbrush. Perfect. Kasi hindi ako nagdala ng toothbrush. Yung dala ko lang is yung toothbrush nung paano namin. Disposable toothbrush dun sa ano namin ba? Sa Adelaide to Hong Kong trip namin. Tapos tinapon na namin after ginamit. Tapos meron din silang razor, babe. Meron pang hairbrush. Cool, ha? Ay, meron pang hair tie. That's perfect. Yan yung tama. Kasi gamit na gamit talaga yan. And then yung toilet nila sa... Their toilet at the airport is really cool.
Oh, this one flushes your butt.
Does it?
Yeah.
The one at the airport,
I think
like...
it does.
Yeah, the one at the airport is very nice.
Is it?
See? Yeah, I think it does. Shower. What's that? See? It does. Huwag kang mag-pislit-pislit dyan, babe. Okay na. Umaya na. Baka bigla na lang.
Oh, it's warm.
Is it?
It's warmed up. Feel it.
Ah! Para warm. Ito shower. Try. I think you have to sit down to do it. Diba? Mga ignorante lang. Okay na. Okay na, ligong-ligo na ako.
You can up and down the spray. That's cool. Oh. That's all. That's awesome. That's cool.
Dala yung mga towels dito. Sabi ni Dan, meron daw mini fridge. Tingnan natin asan yung mini fridge. Ay, ito! Oh. Okay na okay. Mag-haul tayo ng mga binili ko dun kanina sa Lawson. Binili namin. Ito. Sa mga pinapanood ko ng mga videos, lalo na yung mga Pilipino na nagpupunta dito, lagi itong nasa haul nila guys. Itong chocolate na to. So, bourbon. Ito ay. Yan. Masarap daw. Tapos ito din yung mga gustong-gusto to ni Dan eh. Yung may, may biskuit, tapos chocolate. And then, ito. Kasi gusto ko itong bilhin yung isang pack nito. Ididikit mo daw to sa damit mo and then it will keep you warm. Bali, ano siya, parang patch sa damit. Tapos, it will warm up. And then, ito. Inumin na natin to ngayon. Vitamin C. C1000. Alright. Meron silang dalawang kulay. Itong pink at saka yung isa green ata. Yung pink yung pinili ko. Meron din silang pagganap na phone. Handy. Nag-charge na siya. Ito ba yung brand niya? Handy? O parang yung case lang ba yan? Char! Parang yan yung telephone nila. Ano? Kasi meron telephone dito. Yeah. Uy, social ha? Ang gusto ko yan. Liit lang. Dito na sa loob yung keypad. Ito yung maganda para sa mga maliliit lang na room ba. Nandun pa din lahat.
You got slippers.
Pero ano? Yeah. Slippers. Yes. That's a blower dryer, yeah. Ayan, naka-plaster na yung ating mga luggage. Hello! Nakapag-makeup na ako, guys. Yung mga anak ko dito. Inano ko siya, parang binurst ko siya ba? Pero pa din siya, bumpy pa din siya. So, tinakpan ko na lang siya ng concealer ng konti. And alam nyo ba, wala akong dalang powder, So, wala akong powder. Hindi naman siguro ako mag-oil up, no? Kasi malamig. Pero yeah, yung outfit natin, suot-suot ko yung isa sa mga tops na I got from YesStyle. Ito yung from Chu na brand. Yung Korean brand ata yun. And then my jeans is from, I think it's from Factory. Nakuha ko to on sale. And then I will just be wearing my coat from, Boohoo. Ito. Yun lang. And I think I'm just gonna wear my Converse. Yun lang, guys. On my lips, thank you, Ate Winnie. Ginamit ko na naman yung Superstay Matte Ink from Maybelline, yung shade Amazonian. Sobrang ganda. Yung gamit-gamit ko kahapon sa Hong Kong, yung red, yung Pioneer na shade, hanggang kaninang umaga sa plane, nandun pa din talaga siya. And then, tinanggal ko siya kasi before ako nag-start mag-vlog, tinanggal ko siya, gamit ko yung wipes, yung Sunny Care na wipes. Pahirapan siya, guys, tanggalin. Akala ko, ganun-ganun lang ako. Ay, natanggal na to kasi may mga red na stains sa, wet wipe. Pagtingin ko sa salamin, nandun pa din. Ang dami pa din yung red. Kailangan talaga oil-based. Sa akin, kailangan talaga oil-based makeup remover. Though natanggal siya, gamit ng Sunny Care lang. Kaya lang sobrang tagal. As in, parang namumula na nga yung lips ko. Kasi ninunod ko talaga. Kasi wala naman akong dala sa carry-on ko na oil-based makeup remover. Anyway, yun lang. Yung primer na gamit ko is yung favorite ko na primer from Sephora. And then, on my brows, ito, yung aking Make Brow Detail Make Brow. Iniingatan ko ng bongga kasi nabasag na naman. Ito yung nabasag sa Pilipinas, tas nabasag na naman ulit. Ikaw ba naman travel, diba? So, yan. Pero ito pa rin dala-dala ko. Gusto ko ito. Iniiwan ko na lang siya dyan. And then, on my cheeks, oh my gosh, I love this. Tingnan nyo guys, ang shade. Ang ganda, diba? Bagay na bagay sa Amazonian ng Maybelline. Ito yung from Aritom na Sugar Ball Cushion. Yung shade nito is number 5. Sa YesStyle ko din to nakuha. So, ililive ko yung link sa description box. And yun lang, walang powder. Ay, mascara pala. Yung Heroin Make ko na mascara. Na made in Japan pala to. Oh, yung concealer ko pala. Nag-concealer ako under my eyes. At saka yung dito. Dun lang. Yung NARS. NARS na Radiant Creamy Concealer. Yung shade ko is medium to ginger. Ginger yung shade ko. Yun lang. Meron pa din kita, pero wala na. Ayoko na siyang sobrang damihan yung layer ng concealer kasi baka magbitak-bitak naman. Ngayon nga, hindi na ako sanay na nagko-concealer kasi. Lalo na sa pimple. Pero kanina kasi napakapula niya. Hindi ko alam kasi nakuha ko na yung niya, parang yung pus niya. Pero bumpy pa din siya, guys. So parang meron pa din siyang, parang meron pang mga bata na palabas. Bata talaga. Yung mga niya. Masarap to, guys. Masarap. Tapos ano pa siya? What do you call that, babe?
What?
Sparkling?
Also?
Yeah. Didn't you notice it? Hindi siya flat ba? Meron siyang fizzy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, babe! It has collagen!
Does?
Yes! I just noticed. Meron palang collagen, guys. At saka hyaluronic acid. Sana naman matanggal ito aking pimple. Inom naman ako ulit ito bukas. I'll drink this every day, my love. Good luck sa pimple ko. Oh, sabi, collagen at saka hyaluronic acid. Ano siya? Vitamin lemon. Masarap. Okay. Gamitan natin ito mamaya. Actually, open nga natin. Dalawa sila. Hindi ko alam kung anong diferensya kasi, hindi ko maano. Yung picture lang talaga yung ko. Meron kasing nag-haul. Tapos, ko talaga screenshot ko. Kasi kapag mga ganito, parang, malilito ka na sa dami. Tapos, hindi ka pa nakakabasa ng Japanese. I-open ko. Sana ito yung Gusto ko na kasi siyang gamit. Ay, hindi to, babe. It's not the one, babe. Pag-an pa dyan lagi ko, di gid lagi naman.
What is it?
It's just a... Oh, I'm not sure na. Wait, di gid ni Mao. What is it for? Do not apply the warmer directly onto your skin. Do not use the warmer while sleeping. Do not apply pressure to the warmer.
Oh, it's just like a heat pack.
I think it's just a heat pack.
That's alright still.
Yeah, but I want the patch that you can stick onto your clothes. Yun yung ko, hindi to. Hindi ito yun. Heat pack pala to. Ay, mali to. Pero same nung picture. Check ko nga ulit yung picture. Mali na naman ako. I'm ready! This is what I'm wearing, guys. OTD. And I'm wearing the shoes na bigay sa akin ni Manay. Thank you, Manay! Ang tagal na nito sa akin. Ano yan? DC? DC yung brand. And komportable kasi siya. Tinry ko siya nung nagpapack ako and komportable siya. Ready, babe?
Okay.
Look good! OTD? Ding, 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 ding. Punta pala kami sa Starbucks, guys.
Oh, guys,
Yung
watch
pa-meet
this,
and greet natin. Sorry, my love?
Let's cross around. I just want to watch this for a sec.
Okay.
I'll do this one of the nights. Serious.
Gusto niya daw to gawin. Ang tawag dyan? Just like, hit a baseball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to play baseball as well.
Really, babe?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Sige.
Okay, we played at school.
Sige. Uy! Wala. Ayoko na mga ganyan. Bakit nila tayo tinatamaan? I don't want you to watch. Tinatamaan kami. When are you going to do that?
I'll do it this way. I'm definitely doing it.
Char! Ikaw na talaga. Are you sporty, babe?
I'm sporty.
Starbucks tayo, guys. Hindi naman pala kami maliligaw kasi lakad lang naman to. Hindi naman kami magti-train. Maaga pa, guys, so lakad-lakad muna kami. Si King Kong, paring King Kong. Lips. Exciting space. Oh, cool, look.
What's that? Let's have a look.
Sige.
Let's go down that way.
Hey, watch out, babe. May sakyanan. Oh, that's nice. Ano yan dyan? Shops? Robot restaurant. What do they do? So they perform?
I'll show you tonight what it is.
Okay. Tingnan nyo, guys. Bubbly bubbles. Bubble tea. Milk tea. Bubble tea yung binibenta nila. Napaka-extra ng kanilang bubble tea shop. Bongga. Itong isa, ano naman to? What's this one? Look at that. Pwede ka umupo doon. You can sit there, babe. Do you want to sit there? Oh, patay kang kuya. Look at all these. Oh, yung mga, anong tawag doon? Gachupon? Ay, joke lang, hindi ko alam. No, it's closed. Oh, that's the robot restaurant. Ah, okay. Perform sila. How much is it?
I think for food, $100 each.
Australian?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's expensive.
Yeah.
Are you gonna play?
Yeah.
Which one?
I don't know.
Baka malay tayo, ha? Which one? Wait sa... Hala! Hala, babe! That's a big one. Ano? Hala, cute! Ang dami dito, guys! Ang saya naman. Alam, mga candy, oh. Ito ba yan? Parang hindi. Oh, this one's, oh, the bunny! Cute na, babe. Or kato. Oh, I want him. Yan. Oh, babe, actually, there's more here. Wait, sa... Hello, cute. Ah, the tiny ones. Ang cute. Ala, this one, babe. Oh, na. Kaluoy sa usa. I want the brown now. Here. No, the bunnies are cute, babe. Para, ala. Ha, that's me. The brown one. I want him. Yes, get him.
How do you play?
I don't know.
Normally it's like a joystick.
How much is this? How much? 500 for 6 place? Oh, 500?
Yeah, but like, how do you like? You normally it's like a joystick.
Hala, ewan ko. Pila? 6? 6 place?
Oh, here we go. That's the arrows. So you go like that.
Ah, okay. So walang joystick. Asa na? Bakit? Okay.
Oh, so you need one shot.
What?
Yeah.
Lala, anong kukunin niya? Ay, wali. And then you gotta... Oh,
So
shoot,
you
boss.
take my finger off it. I can't do it
Yeah?
again.
Okay.
I don't like that one.
Ayaw niya dun sa isa. Ito daw sa kanya. Mahirap daw kasi.
Oh, two.
Wa.
I'm off.
La. Come on. Ay, sus. Ano ba yan, babe?
Yeah. So don't take your finger off.
So hold it.
Hold it until you line it up. When you lined up, take your finger off.
Oh.
Now press 2. You're gonna press 2 and line 2 nut to it. No.
I'm so bad. Chaka. Okay, I'm not playing anymore.
Yes.
This all. Ang ganda dito, guys. Gusto ko dito. Tapos yung weather, hindi siya as in sobrang lamig. Kasi nakaano din naman ako, naka-coat. Pero tama lang siya. Hindi ka maiinis kasi humid. Okay na okay lang. Feel ko dito.